Yeah. Hey, I thought you said there was treasure here.
I didn't know.
But you said come with me and we'll get treasure. So here I am. Where's the treasure?
I don't know.
Well,
There's a diamond up there.
above me?
Uh-huh.
I don't know what that means. We go this way?
Yeah?
Okay, come on with me. Dude, what are you doing?
Booby trap.
You are. What's this? Let's go over here. Okay. That's it. What is this, like a slide? Oh! Dude, we're back at the start. What's over here?
I don't know.
Let's go.
Oh no, it's spooky.
Is it spooky? Maybe we should have some spooky music that's not copyrighted. What do you say? All right, let's dance.